seeing your mother-in-law who used to snore, you guys used to laugh about it. You mentioned the shift from we laughed about it to our world fell apart. What do families most misunderstand about snoring?
Well, they think it's a joke, and I think we titled this perfectly. Stop laughing at snoring. It could be a stark warning, right, or a stroke warning for that matter. Um, we see it in the movies, we see it in the cartoons. It's kind of cute. And then there's the image of the sawing log, right? And so we've been conditioned to believe that this is a variation of normal in the human condition.